Okay, so next we'll see transport request. Okay, so whenever I create any configuration, it will be saved under TR. Okay, so so when first time you are creating any doing any configuration, it will be blind kind of. So what you need to do, always prefer this way, click on create new. Okay, now use your model. So I am working on SD model, so we'll go with this in this way, SD. Then name of the like what you have done the changes, you can just write in short. I'm just going with division kind of. Okay, okay. So here when you work, so you will have three systems. Okay, dev quality PRD. So you can automatically that next target system will come over here. But as of now, I'm using the IT system. There is no another system. Skip that part. Okay, so we can skip this part. I will just click on division and I'll just create a request. Okay. Now to check that particular TR, we can just go with the T code SC01. Okay, now click on display. Okay, now I have created this thing. So let understand what the whole part of this thing. Let me just expand it. Okay, so we see the TR in two parts. This is the main TR and this is the child TR kind of subtask. We understand from here. So the main TR is kind of container. Okay, so whatever the changes you have done, it will be created. It will be under the child TR, which is we called as a task also. Okay, so here when here the main TR is just like a container, and inside it all the changes will be there. Okay, okay. Now now we have done the configuration. Okay, here now we have captured it in the transport request. Now what is the next step? So whenever you work, you will let me just go here. Okay, so let's say I have created a sales. Mm, just go with. Okay, now there is three system: dev, QS, and PRD. Let's say I have done new config over here. Config. Let's say you created sales organization, distribution, or division. So let's say I've done the config now over here. It's done. Now what I'll do in dev system only depends. I can divide the system in three part. There is a config client. Okay. There is a like unit testing client. There is a for ABAP peoples also, the technical peoples they use this. Okay, so here in dev, okay, this is the dev part. Okay, I did the config. I have defined the sales organization, distribution, and division, whatever config I need. Once it is done, I'll do the testing. So both are done. Once my both part is done, uh, I'll take the help of the basis team. Basis and security team will be there to move the changes in quality. Okay, we'll give the TR number to what we'll do. Uh, let's say from our side, our testing is completed. So what I'll do, I'll just come over here and I'll just release it. Okay. After releasing it, I will release the main TR. Okay. See here options is there. Release directly. When I release, the tick mark will come over here. And again, when I release over firstly I need to release the this one child tier, then I can release the main tier. Okay. Okay, now both the TR release. What I need to do, I need to give this TR details to basis and security team. What they will do, let me just take this. Okay, so what they will do, they will move these changes from dev to QS. Okay, now again here the end user will come and they will do the integration testing. Even though here also we can do the testing from our side, we'll have the access. Uh, okay, so end user and we can do also testing, integration testing. Okay, once this is okay from, let me just, okay, once it is okay, testing is proper, its requirement is properly working, so we'll move the again basis team, basis security team will move the changes in PRD system. So once it is reached, the final business team can use it over here in the live system. So this was the complete cycle. Okay. Okay, now the most important part, what we are seeing here is a kind of customizing request. So whenever we'll create a request, the consultant, functional consultant will create a request. It will be kind of customization we did. We just now we have created a sales organization distribution channel division. All will go in the TR, which is customizing TR. When developers will create, let's say, new tables, okay, any programs, it will go under the workbench request. So what is the main difference? So basically, workbench is a cross client. So let me just explain you. So what does cross client means? So here we have seen this was the dev system. Inside the dev system, we have configuration client. Okay, here let me just zoom it. Okay, here we have this. Can I change the color? Okay, okay. So here we have config client will work. Unit testing will do when the developer will do any config. Let's say he have created new tables or new program, it will be automatically visible over here as well. This is called a cross client object kind of. So any changes in the same server, it will be visible uh, across the landscape. So everything will be visible over here. Again, he need to move. Again, the basis he need to get the changes move with the help of basis security till here quality. Then again, the same process will be followed. Okay. Then it will be moved in PRD. Okay. So here I've written cross client does not mean the changes automatically move to to QS or PRD. Cross client means it will be visible across the landscape in the same server. So in dev only. Okay, you might have a 200 client, 300 client, 400 client in the dev as per the system. So that's all for today's session. If you have any doubt, just comment below. If you like the video, please hit a like button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.